Day number 92. This is the top of Nevada Falls right here. There's a bridge that I'm standing on that they've constructed. Goes over the waterfall right there. And you can see the water coming down. Again, this is the Merced River. And get out of the crowd and out of the roar of the water. So that was the top, of course, of Nevada Falls, and up here is Liberty Cap, another of the, there's got to be hundreds of these domes in this area. And of course I'm standing on a huge granite slab. All of these rocks, how'd they get here? Saw the same thing on the top of Lambert Dome. How'd they get there? These are all deposited by glaciers. They're called erratics. Glacial erratics. You can imagine all of this covered with 1,000 feet of ice. And these big boulders get caught up in the ice as the ice moves. And as the ice melts, the boulders stay where they are. In many cases on top of domes and mountaintops and all kinds of things. And I think it was John Muir who originally proposed the idea of the glacial effects of the valley. And you can see, actually right here's a good example. See how shiny it is? That's called glacial polish. It's smooth, like a granite countertop, and you can actually see the lines of something scraping over it, and that something would be a glacier with all the gravel and sand that accompanies it. And oh wow, look at this. We have some graffiti. Here's some graffiti from 1930. And another one from 1926. July 22nd, 1926. Graffiti carved into the glacial polish, which was carved into the rocks by a glacier. I think the glacier probably predates the graffiti. So this is, like I said, Nevada Falls, and it's listed as a moderate climb, but I would say it's probably the equivalent of climbing up the Empire State Building. So if you're in Yosemite and you think you can climb to the top of the Empire State Building, give this one a shot. If not, at least wear yourself out on the lower Vernal Falls. It's still, you know, still could be difficult for some folks, but it is worth the trip. I mean, look around, everything's worth the trip here at day number 92 on the John Muir Mist Trail in Yosemite Valley. Gorgeous, one of a kind Yosemite Valley.